Okay. Here is the new riffle system, the one I was working on. Different mats, and this one's really nice. We put this together like humps. They go over like that to catch stuff in between here. It's a different style. It still has to be tested. And this is your original miner's moss. We got something else that's just made out of dishcloth or something. Original black matting, some carpet, and then the rib matting again. But we turned it into a style where it's riffle. But the best thing about this is once it's in your sluice box, and that thing is raging and the water's raging through it, you don't have to break it down. Why? Because look, when this is in the sluice box, you just go like this, change these out, pull them out. It's our new style. Either one, you know, you go put them in a bucket, shake them, they're done. You don't have to stop at all running the water or moving your whole sluice box. Just set this down in there. You want to change a mat, pick a mat, change it. Put another one back in its place. Or rinse the ones out you got, put them back in there. This saves a lot of time of breaking down. And it works. This is how this is going. Just like this. Like that. That's when it's in the sluice box. Can you imagine just not having to break down? Just let that water keep running. Pop out a mat when you need to, change it, put it back in. Miner's moss, pop it out. If you want to put something else in there, you'll have about 4 or 5 different types of mats you can have built to the frame. So bam, there it is. Miner's moss. This here is not made out of metal. It's made out of corrugated plastic. We got other things in the pipeline coming, but this is just one of our designs right now. You ain't got to break it down. That's what counts. You just pull the mats out. We'll be back. More.